Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We have a quadratic equation raised to the power of another quadratic equation. X square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square plus 4x minus 16. This is equal to 1. Now how many solutions this equation has? That is the question. This is raised to the power of this. Okay, a raised to the power of b is equal to 1. What does that mean? What are the cases when a raised to the power b is equal to 1? A power b equals 1 when, for example, a power b is equal to 1 when b equals 0, right? A power 0 will be equal to 1, but a cannot be equal to 0. This is one case, right? Because 0 power 0 is not defined, right? When a is not equal to 0 and b is 0, this is case 1. What is another case? When a is equal to 1, when a is equal to 1, it doesn't matter whatever b is. 1 raised to power whatever is always 1. Okay. And when a equals minus 1, a equals minus 1 and b is even, then also a power b is equal to 1. Right. When a is 0, sorry, when b is 0, it doesn't matter as long as a is not equal to 0. That is one case. When a is 1, it doesn't matter what b is. And when a is minus 1, if b is even, then it is fine. Then also it is raised to 1. Okay. So now we are concerned about real values. Let us let us go ahead and try to find what is x for each of these three cases. Okay. A equals this a power b, right? B equals 0 and a not equal to 0. Okay. So this one x square plus 4x minus 60. This is equal to 0 and this is not equal to 0. That is our case 1. What is this? We can simplify this x square plus 4x minus 60. 4x we can write it as 10x minus 6x because 10 into 6 is 60. 10 into minus 6 is minus 60. Right. We'll simplify this as x into x plus 10 minus 6 into x plus 10. That is x plus 10 into x minus 6 equals 0. X equals minus 10 or x equals 6. And in both these cases, let us verify what will happen to x square minus 5x plus 5. Okay. If in both of these cases, x square minus 5x plus 5 is not equal to 0. Right. In the first case, it will become 100 plus 50 plus 5. Right. X equals minus 10 will become 100. X square is 100 uh, minus of 50 minus of minus 50, that is plus 50, and plus 5, that is equal to 155, right? And in the case of x equals 6, this becomes 36 minus 5 6 30, that is 6 plus 5 11. In both cases, uh, this one x square minus 5x plus 5 is not equal to 0, so both are valid. Minus 10 and plus 6 both are valid. This is the case 1. Then, what is the case 2? When x square minus 5x plus 5, this equals 1. It doesn't matter what will happen to the power. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 5 equals 1. That means x square minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. That means we can write it as minus 5 as minus 4 minus 1, right? So we can simplify this. X into x minus 4 minus 1 into x minus 4 equals 0. X minus 4 into x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 4 or 1. It doesn't matter what will happen to this power. Okay, as when x is 4 or x equals 1, this one will become equal to 1. So 1 for anything is anyway 1. Okay. Now this one, if it equals minus 1, and for the same x, if this is even, and then that is also valid. Okay. So x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. That means if we bring this minus 1 to the left hand side, it will become x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. X square minus this minus 5, we can split it as minus 2 minus 3, because minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. Right. X into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X equals 2 or x equals 3. But for x, we have to still verify that this part x square plus 4x minus 60 is still even for both the cases. Okay, let's take x equals 2. X square plus 4x minus 60 is 2 square, that is 4, plus 4 into 2, 8, minus 60. 4 plus 8 minus 60, which is 12 minus 60 minus 48. So this is fine. Okay, x equal to 2 is valid. Now x equals 3. That is, then 3 square, which is 9, plus 4 times 3, 12, 9 plus 12, minus 60. Right, this has become minus 39. Okay, so this is a odd number. So minus 1 to the power, uh, whole raised to the power minus 39. So we'll not get 1, we'll get minus 1, right? So x equal to 3, we cannot take. So we have, what are all the values of x? Minus 10, 6, 4, 1 and 2. So sum of all of this is minus 10 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. That is the question. That is what the question is about. The sum of all real values of x satisfying this is 3. 3 is the correct answer. 3. 3 is the correct answer. Right, guys? Simple problem. Just that we have to solve this case by case basis. When a power b is equal to 1. When b equals 0 and a not equals to 0. Or when a equals 1. Or when a equals minus 1. But b is even. Simple. Right, guys? Thank you.